Hi guys, it's Hani here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video we're going to make Chips Ahoy cookies. So let's get started. First I'm going to ice square cookies with blue royal icing, 15-second consistency, and then we're gonna have to let it dry. Now take a paper template and edible marker and trace the outline on the icing, and then with white royal icing, 15-second consistency, we're going to outline and flood this section, and then you're gonna have to let that dry again. Use your needle tool to smooth the icing and shape it while it's still wet. Once dry, take another template and a fine tip gray edible marker and trace the outlines. And then we're going to use dark blue, almost a navy blue royal icing to paper Chips Ahoy. And I am using icing that is about 25 to 30-second consistency. Make sure that you use your needle tool to shape the icing while it's still wet. And that's how you can make the logo. For the actual cookies, we're gonna use round cookies, and I'm using ivory colored royal icing. And I decided to use icing that wasn't too fluid, so I wanted to have like a bumpy surface to have a better resemblance of actual chocolate chip cookie. So you don't really need to smooth it out or anything, just give it a light tap, and then you can take dark chocolate royal icing and make the chocolate chips. And then I'm going to also airbrush it, just the edges, with brown airbrush food coloring. And there you have it, Chips Ahoy cookies. I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next time.